Today I'd like to focus on the benefits of home cooking, good old-fashioned home cooking. You know, it offers us so many different health benefits, and especially during menopause where weight management may be an issue, home cooking is really crucial. You know, by preparing foods at home, you have the opportunity to have control of the ingredients you're using, and selecting foods that can be, and ingredients that can be beneficial in achieving better hormonal balance, increasing your energy levels, for example. You know, imagine creating a delicious vegetable stir fry using your favourite lean protein source, which could be chicken or tofu. Easy to make, and this type of meal, it's not only delicious and has lots of flavours, but it also provides many good components like phytoestrogens, dietary fibre that will help to contribute to your overall well-being during midlife and menopause. It's really important to remember that when we're going through this phase in our life, the menopause transition, your body requirements change. We need to look after ourselves a little bit better. So really engaging in home-cooked meals is an excellent way to work on weight management and to increase your energy levels and really to work on a healthier lifestyle. Even one cooked homemade meal a day, adding that into your daily routine can really make a noticeable difference. Is spending the time. It doesn't have to be time consuming to go in the kitchen and cook meals. Even if you're not used to making food, or maybe you don't enjoy cooking, just start off with something very simple. There's so many easy, healthy, nutritious recipes that you can do that don't take time. I think a lot of people maybe don't do so much cooking because they think that it's very time consuming. What I do is I batch cook as well. So when I cook, I always make more than I need. So I have that in the fridge or the freezer that I can, or I always have a nutritious meal there that I can take out of the freezer or the fridge and eat. But it's really important that we remember to make food from scratch. We want to really try to avoid or reduce packaged food that is full of a list of ingredients. Half of them we don't even know what they are. And there's a lot of sugar, a lot of fats in these products that aren't necessarily so beneficial for our health. So really using raw ingredients and cooking from home can really benefit you on your midlife menopausal journey, because you know what you're eating, you see what you're eating. So just try to incorporate, even if it's just one meal a day, making that at home in the kitchen can really be beneficial for your overall health. And it's also very enjoyable to cook, you know, with your family, with friends. It's an enjoyable hobby to prepare food and eat together with family.